Alright, hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. So this is our first paper airplane making video, and in this one we're going to make the basic dart. So you want to start off with your just basic sheet of paper. This is like a piece of printer paper, just 8.5 by 11. And the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to fold the paper right in half. So you're going to go right down the center line, the long way, and just take it and fold it just like this. Fold it down nice and smooth and even, just like that. Once you've got it nice and folded, you're going to open it back up. The next step is we're going to fold in the top corners, and we're going to fold these down to the center line. So we'll do one and then we'll do the other one. Keep an eye on the top of the paper there too, make sure that's even and straight. And you're going to fold it down nice and neat, just like that. Once you got it lined up right, smooth it out. Then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay? Just like this. Make sure that top's lined up nicely. Okay. Both sides folded down just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to go for the top corner and we're going to fold it another triangle. We're going to do that on both sides too. So we're going to fold it down just like this from the top. And then right down to that center line in the middle there. So be careful you line up the top nice and straight. Alright. And smooth that down so it looks just like that. You can do the same thing on this side. Smooth it down. So it looks just like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're actually going to take the whole paper airplane and you're going to fold it inside into the middle, right in half. So take it just like this, line it up all the way around, and smooth it down. Okay, so it looks like this. Then we're going to turn the paper airplane this way. And the next step is we're going to take this line from the top and we're going to fold that down to the bottom line right here. So you're just going to fold it just like this, as straight as you can, line it up right at the bottom. You're going to smooth all that down. Okay, so it looks like that. You're going to flip it over. You're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to take that top line and fold it down right here to the bottom. Right, it's nice and smooth. So when you open it up, the whole paper airplane looks just like that. That's what it looks like on the sides, and that's how it looks right there. And you just take it, you go ahead and throw it just like that. And in case you want to see, here's a smaller version. This is just made with a quarter sheet of paper, so it's the same thing, we did the same steps, we just made it smaller like that. The step-by-step instructions will be in the comment section, so you can look down at those too if you want another way to kind of see how to put it together. And this airplane is called the Basic Dart. Thanks for watching.